In combat and emergency scenarios, every second matters. The Trust is tactical rapid use tourniquet for efficient and secure hemorrhage control. First, grab your Trust tourniquet from its case and unfold the belt. Position the tourniquet 5 to 7 centimeters above the bleeding site or as high as possible on the limb. Tighten the band by pulling in the opposite direction. Tilt the handle at a 90-degree angle to the limb. Rotate it inwards and back several times until the bleeding stops. Listen for the clicks. Each one confirms the autolock is engaged. Wrap the band around the housing and secure the fastening. Once tightened, return the handle to its groove. Record the application time on the time plate. If you don't have a marker, use any sharp object to mark the time. If additional pressure required, place your thumb against the housing and keep rotating. This ensures you get the necessary pressure to halt the bleed. If bleeding resumes as time passes after applying the tourniquet, it is possible to safely tighten the tourniquet without unwrapping the strap. To release the tourniquet gradually, move the handle to the release position and pull the release loop. For full release, remove the band from the buckle or cut it if necessary.